Hey, welcome back. Today's Swiss Army knife will be the Victorinox Pioneer Rancher. Stay tuned and we'll check it out. Okay, so our knife as we see it here comes brand new in the packaging. We have no part numbers or anything like that on it, but it is the Victorinox Pioneer Rancher, commonly known as the Rancher, and it is very similar to the Victorinox Pioneer or Soldier's knife. Comes with the care, use, and maintenance pamphlet. Then we get our first look at those beautifully yellow anodized scales. Is a 93mm knife, 2 layers, right at 7/16 of an inch scale to scale, and it does support some of the old cross models, if you will, with the silver Alox scales and the silver cross. And then there are several advertising or premier scale knives that feature various colors of anodization, like this one. It is used as a advertising knife for the Bugnard company, and I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. And there was also a special March of 2012 run producing a bright green Pioneer Rancher for the collector's market that was limited to 50 knives, and each knife had a series number engraved on the small pruning blade. Now these can be found with red anodizing on the scales, with the cross, and the US model number or identifier number for that is 0.8140.20, and then the more common silver Alox scale versions with the Victorinox logo carry a identifier number of 0.8140.26. So as we see on this knife, we have no key ring of any sort. Obviously don't have any back layer tools. And the major change between the Pioneer and the Rancher is that the can opener is replaced with the small pruning blade, which does not appear on very many knives. We get the standard cap lifter, bottle opener, wire bender, hollow ground screwdriver with the 90-degree stop. We get the standard main blade. And for ting stamp, we get Victorinox Swiss made stainless with nothing on the rear. Then we get that 1961 pattern Raymer awl from the Victorinox Soldier that does have the sharpened edge. Now a few related models to this are obviously the Pioneer, which replaces the small pruning blade with the standard can opener. The Electrician, which replaces the pruning blade with a sheep foot blade more commonly used by electricians. And then a 4-layer version called the Harvester adds the wood saw to this knife. So that about does it for this knife. If you like these videos, thumbs up, subscribe below, and as always, I appreciate your time. Stay tuned and be nice to one another.